Good afternoon, class. This is our revision class, and today's topic Kishangarh School. This school was belongs to Marwar Sub School, and this was the major center of this style. Let's start. फाउंडर हु वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ किशनगढ़ स्टेट? किशनगढ़ स्टेट की स्थापना किसने की थी? रियासत की स्थापना किसने की थी? राजा किशन सिंह वॉज फाउंडेड दिस स्टेट इन 1609 AD and it was the most important place in Rajasthani school. This style was lead or important place in Rajasthani school. Next important fact and very important question of this chapter: which two artists was credited for exposing Kishangarh style to worlds? Then answer is the credit for exposing Kishangarh style to world goes to Sir Eric Dickinson and Dr. Fayaz Ali. They are the very important role play to expose this style in front of the world. Next, golden which ruler was golden period of Kishangarh style? Then answer is Raja Savan Singh. Raja Savan Singh's period was known as golden period of Kishangarh style because he was art lover, scholar and poet also, and he was known as Nagridas because he write many poets and many texts like Nagar Samuchya, Manorat Manjari and Rasik Ratnavali and Bihari Chandrika text in that time, and that is why he was known as he was called as a Nagri Das. The credit for taking this style to high peak goes to 3 persons. इस शैली को ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाने में 3 लोगों का हाथ माना जाता है. फर्स्ट सावन सिंह who was known as Nagridas. Second was Bani Thani. He was concert and lover of Raja Savan Singh, and she was a high class poetess and singer in that time. उस समय की वो बहुत मतलब ना हाई क्लास उच्च श्रेणी की क्या थी, कवियत्री भी थी और सिंगर भी थी. And she was symbol of beauty, and she was very beautiful lady in that time. He was the heroine of Savan Singh's poems and Nihal Chand's paintings. She was the heroine of Savan Singh's poems and Nihal Chand's painting. वो राजा सावन सिंह की जो पोएम्स जो क्रिएट करते थे उनकी वो क्या थी, नायिका, लीड रोल प्ले करने वाली नायिका थी, हीरोइन थी. एंड सेम एज निहाल चंद की पेंटिंग्स की भी वो क्या थी, वो हीरोइन थी. थर्ड person was Mordhwaj Nihal Chand, and he was the great artist of that era and belongs to Raja Savan Singh era also. He painted Savan Singh as a Krishna and Bani Thani as a Radha in his paintings. Next, main characteristics of Kishangarh school, subject matter or theme. Basically, Kishangarh state or Kishangarh's ruler was famous, famous or fond of Vallabh Sampradaya. He was Vallabh Sampradaya. Kishangarh was the main center of Vallabh Sampradaya, so its main theme was Radha Krishna and their Leelas. Basically, they follow. They all rulers was follower of Vallabh Sampradaya. That's why that's why in Kishangarh style the main theme of paintings related to Radha Krishna and their Leelas, romance of Radha Krishna. Besides Rasik Priya, Geet Govind, Bhagavad Puran, Nagar Samuchay, these are also depicted in this style. Hunting scenes, festivals, court scenes, portrait paintings, Nayak Nayika Bheda were also depicted in this style. Second, human figures. Male and females are depicted with supernatural beauty as Radha Krishna. जो भी नर और मादा को या नारी और पुरुष को जो यहाँ पे पेंट किया गया उसको सुपर नेचुरल ब्यूटी, मतलब उसको नॉर्मल एक आम इंसानों की तरह पेंटेड नहीं किया गया, उसको सुपर नेचुरल मतलब उसको दैविक रूप मान करके उसको राधा कृष्ण से रिलेट करके उसको पेंट किया गया है. मेल्स आर डिपिक्टेड विद लॉन्ग एंड लैंकी ब्लू बॉडी, long and sharp nose, thin red lips, wagtail like large pointed eyes, means खंजन पक्षी की तरह आंखें, pointed eyes बनाई गई है. Pointed chin, long and thin fingers, broad forehead with high headgear with pearls, and jama or trouser also wear them. Whereas females were depicted with whitish complexion, गेहुआ रंग के साथ उनको बनाया गया. Attractive large half opened eyes with dark kajal, long eyelashes, pointed chin, wearing long skirt or langa with transparent odhni with Rajasthani ornaments. Nature depiction was very beautifully depicted in this style, like lakes, hills, forest, birds and animals are depicted based on theme. इसके अलावा morning and night scenes, evening night scenes are also beautifully depicted in this style. Birds and animals, water birds like duck, cranes, swans in water pond with Radha Krishna on boat. राधा कृष्णा को लेक्स में या तालाब के अंदर बोट पे बैठा बनाया गया है, और उन्हीं के साथ में डक्स, क्रेन, स्वान को भी वहाँ पे उसमें डिपिक्ट किया गया है. इसके अलावा beside these peacock, cow also painted here. Color theme, primary colors mostly used here like red, yellow, blue, white, black, green, pink, golden and silver color also used here. Border and margins, green and pink color used in margins. Both plain and decorative margins are depicted here. Lines, fine lines. Lines are very important feature of this style. Fine, thin, rhythmic and emotionful lines used here. Artist सूर्यध्वज मूलराज, मोरध्वज निहाल चंद, सीताराम, बदन सिंह, रामनाथ, नानक राम, सवाई राम, लाडली दास, सूरजमल were the main artists of this school. Faces, one side faces or profile faces mostly painted here. Next famous painting of Kishangarh style, Bani Thani. Next point, influence. This style was totally influenced by Kangra style.